Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Ritvik and bringing you another Clash Royale video. And this video is going to be a little different from my usual videos where I share challenge decks and other related stuff, and it's going to be a little more informative than that. Actually, I'll be showing you how you can find the best possible deck for your card levels, which will take you further on ladder and will get you more rewards. And you guys know I was trying to reach 6k trophies last time on stream, but I don't know what happens on stream and I just lose too much. But off stream I was able to get it and I just did it an hour ago, and you can see I reached 6000 trophies. Also I am now in the local leaderboards as well. So let's find out what rank I am currently in. Yeah, there was I am at 802, so that's good. So without further ado guys, I just want to first thank all of you for taking me to this magic number of subscribers, 123 subscribers. Thank you everyone guys, and I am sure guys with all your support we can reach even further and touch 4 digits in subscribers. So without any further ado guys, let's get straight into the video. And the steps are very simple. You just open your browser and search statsroyale.com. After that you will see a page something like this. You click on the menu icon and go to deck builder. From there you will see an option where you can put in your tag, and from where you can get your tag is you go to your profile and click on your name. You click on the tag and just copy it from here. Go back to your browser page and paste the tag here and click on load collection. It will take 1-2 seconds and it will load a lot of decks, and also it will show the highest trophies that this deck currently have. So you can see the top deck has 7265 trophies, and that's a lot. And it will show cards according to your card level. If your card levels are level 11 or level 12, level 10, it doesn't matter. It will show you the decks according to that card level. And suppose you don't want to play some card, you don't like some card, like suppose you don't like giant, so you can also exclude that card from here and you just click on build deck. You will see decks which don't have giant. So you can see all the decks that will be shown will not contain giant. And also if you want to play with some specific card, you can also do that. For that you again click on the customize deck and add a card under the section include cards. If you want hog, you just include that and search for the deck, and you will see that all the decks will contain hog and will not contain giant, and will also show the trophies there. Also this was for the ladder. If you want to play in grand challenge or classic challenge, you can see the decks for that also. It will show you the win rate and the average elixir of the deck also. So according to your comfort level you can select a deck and you can try those decks, and it can be really helpful for you if you are struggling to find a deck and want to play some challenges also. So guys, it's that simple. And if you are struggling with the deck and you want to push your trophies to get some extra rewards, this can be really helpful, and you can get a deck with this and it can really help you. So guys, that's all for the video. And if you like the video, if this helps you in any way guys, please do consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps, and you can see a lot of views that I get on my videos comes from non-subscribers. So guys, please do subscribe and support the channel. And that was all guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.